Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand microwave and it's giving you an F5 error code and you're wondering what is this error code and is there anything you can do to get rid of it. So just so you know, the F5 error code is the humidity sensor that detects the humidity in the microwave. It's sensing some kind of short circuit in that sensor. And the error could be in the sensor itself. It could be an issue of the wiring going towards the sensor, which is going to be hard for you to fix. You'll need to call GE customer support for that. But you know, one thing that can happen is this kind of issue can come up if you have some humidity in there. It can get the sensor geeked out, and what you want to do is just make sure you have everything dry and then do a hard restart on the microwave, which would be to unplug it completely from the wall, disconnect it completely from power, leave it disconnected for a full minute, and then turn it back on. After the minute's up, plug it back in, and that should clear the error out, and hopefully it won't come back. So anyways, that's what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.